I'm going to show you how to remove the back cover and the main board from this LG TV with model number 42LV5500. First thing we want to do is bring the TV screen facing down on our workbench so we can go ahead and start with the back cover. On this TV I don't have the stand, but if I did there would be 4 screws I would remove here, then lift it up and pull it out. I also don't have my back cover, but it is going to be screwed in with 1 screw here. After which you can lift up the plastic cover and pinch the sides of this power connector and wiggle it out. Next I'm going to remove the wall mount screws. Next I'm going to focus on the main board screws. I have 1 long one right here and 3 smaller ones on the perimeter. And the rest are all the perimeter screws. Now be careful, this is sheet metal, it will cut you, but we're going to go ahead and wiggle it up. And here we are. Next we're going to focus on removing the main board, starting by the ribbons and wires. Over here we're going to press down on the top clip. This one has side clips, so we're going to push them in, squeeze them in. Top clip, side clips, squeeze them in, side clips, squeeze them in, top clip, and top clip. Now we can remove these screws, and the board should lift right up. If you're interested in finding out exactly how we fix these main boards, you can check out this video next. Otherwise, if you're interested in sending in your main board for us to fix, we offer flat rate services which come with a 1-year warranty. Those are available on our website, which will be linked in the description down below. If you found the video helpful or useful, leave us a like, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.